On sheni bibi say ntame say yes $20 million na omodo kofa pardon no. HMA nkofo. And if I'm getting the figure wrong there. But I say yes $20 million. Import or distribute near Nankasa ne wife was it Lodina. In our no company na or more demand ma or produce sadia. Say ye share family and friends government pa na or mother boy kufado dear. Hey, another tell na kufado dear me wouldn't possess them or apart from Kenoforato any say no of us use then no bibi. Another Gabi, the na Asanti be to ano ne secretary no. Me say na obi ana say na inclined to na nkofo can say, but all the same, obi a president be aba, they feel comfortable. On en be adwuma no. E na no office say obey den oba appointing on en aye adwuma. Now let's come to the issue of met me akọ ohonum kakra na say enka topic no the Kennedy calling omo suspend omo na ka ho
your time to be able to be away your time
no I side with Iliasu. I side seriously with completely with Iliasu. See me I just want to believe or I just want to feel say Japan is trying to get a favor from Nkofu bi say ono so a man of peace. Masa, anya de bia na yede ba fie o. Anya besie bia na yede ne kofie. Besie no ho ye fe. But ye ebusuan ye hia no wo mu aba keka tinabo. Hey, 90 de campi de Nkofu ko up to now. Say movement ho say no ho. Still work radio so they still have the nerves to even still speak against the Akufo-Addo government upon all the sacrifices, the party gave to them, upon all the benefit they have earned. In the what dogs, no, men can say they are dogs, no, can even speak ill against the New Patriotic Party. Why should you call somebody on with him? Make I say in chairman or the secretary be or feel the first one or can say it's better NPP not to be was so be bet me akai say na so also said that true huma HSA mama kan mama nje alanchemante back but ye je no the first person Akufo-Addo appointed was you and sen upon appoint to bia ebeka o ministers no na so when ya bibi na tell the NPP akunya no it should be like a Hindi yaka cha so be dibinti build the constituency bia or party nim in the youth na yaba no hwe in the ba me betim den say sinekoko even Kennedy ayempo so be di anim Kennedy can boast say your won kofo wa bo omo e wo party nim a omo di na chin there wo de we he so we don't do it like that into yes can mama ba divert yen attention kura nkofa new agenda bia say omo senachi no omo dey fa no so dia ene de wati because no person be reasonable, excuse my language, bia no ma say wona wo say we ye what can asumdwe hin ne kura ade me ye sure say atama se kwa ye de asumdwe hin kura to ne so kura mpo no we accept this thing because why you hu where you want a party and among what two you just to stop you to form your movement for change, you know. By still, you know, now why what can I say party no work member anka President Kobo Baumia Nechi Okodi Nechi say open asem na there. Only President Kofo Krenya asem and now tena radio so auto say on tia say President Kofo airborne in the party no or the buy ne candidate say or you good or you there na come about movement in which into yesremu umayendi elemu party no senior tie bia yakọ position but enguye MPP is the only party yeah betimi and yes you believe it is proven say yen you wait me about the Ghana. What I say, Sabe, baby, I mean, way. Mitimish ideologies be a brofono, a timid to a criminal there. Me who said we were going on the right way by the implementations of Dr. Baumia. What I said last week in American Kuba Ghana. All back Ghana card no issue of Pearson Airport. How they buy. Into no yena ya mistake, Baumia say yena ya mistake. Obi ya tono in Africa kraba kura pono. Ohun Baumia onim say Baumia na gina ma NPP. Inti entade ya print it is possible na ade no. Yensan so pepa entade ni nyina na yensan fa new candidate yen kwaton no. Na even morality and I say politics and say also what you say na what na parliament over 24 years it should tell you. I mean you are good in all things, but it is not all things that favors you, and I said that you must do. And no say what be MP da, and I say be so you good philanthropist. People who are following you because they know say if you drop omwan no aduane bebo omunti no obi a unim say wa ye PhD and I say be oye odefo like un say onim ade pa out of cheap politics nti unim say strategically the party will make a big mistake, political suicide. That's the right word. They will make a political suicide if they don't bring their sold candidate out. Fiambro for ye campaign. Ebitimu Baumia keke na like say neni agia fiti wiase obeye ohun bi da. Edentia. Yen kan say but Neymar, Yanfa Manfa football, Neymar no onimbo no bo. But he came in an era na senior man no be jina onoma. What can I say? You are good in your own field, but trust me, to win political political power for the party, you know, it is ideal for MPP party and MPP fraternity to bring a candidate that has been already been sold on the market, that is being known, that is being cherished by majority of people. Well, in some of the make me a catch in the percent say in the Samira Baumia one embuno, but Samira Baumia my videos be 3 occasions whenever be obo hu kan Japan bia no I say on no wo twaka bi e won nsam ketenkete someone obi a wabufuo ba untimi control hu de. The presidency is not you who the most vilified president ever. I did not attempt. Nana Akufo-Addo. One fact, Mike and Sinanim, amber man any retaliation bia. Ojana semenyame. But no uyobia. You are good on your own field, but there are certain qualities that make you good complete to become that presidency. No man, you can't. But can Japan is good in its own way, which I always want to try and choose my words carefully.